Come join us on a restoration tour where we discover the full Promised Land. Here we are in the Hashemite kingdom of Jordan, ruled by King Abdullah and his queen, Rania. In the distance, you can start to see the Jordan Valley and the place where those Zionists are. Who were these ancient people shrouded in mystery? The Nabatean Empire. Not much is known about them. Ever since 170 BC, their first king Al-Harith Eretas, on through the years until Rabi'il in 106 AD, they ruled until the Romans defeated them. Eretas III negotiated with Pompey. They were filled with all kinds of symbols and genius with water systems.
Those are old coins.
They had Greek symbols. They had Roman symbols. They had so many different types of false gods here. Castro and Pollux, guardians of heaven and hell, Amazon warriors, lion symbols, Medusa, eagles. They even worshipped Egyptian deities such as Isis, goddess of life and death. On the Madaba map, it talks about the earthquakes who destroyed the entire civilization here. We know through the Madaba map, which is not far away from Petra. There we have pictures of the entire... Welcome to Petra, the ancient Nabatean fortress. The most amazing things that pertain to the ancient world. The Byzantines eventually came here, and the entire city converted to Christianity. We know the Byzantines eventually had to leave because of the earthquake, but came back from Karak. But yet, as we tried to unscramble the Thamudi code and find out who these people were, what we do know is they have been wiped from civilization, and those who follow the God of Israel have remained to tell the story. Imagine the man hours, imagine the skill, the ancient technology that it took to make something like this. I mean, who ever knew that they were able to build a monastery on top of this mountain? This is just phenomenal. Hiding here at the end of time? Will our people be divinely rescued by the shields of the earth, as it says in Psalms? What awaits us? I don't know. But we know that this is prophesied.